Right now, there is a huge opportunity in Solana ecosystem. And first of all, if you see projects like Jupiter and Radium, which are decentralized exchanges on Solana, you can see market cap is around 1 billion. For Jupiter, fully diluted is 11 billion. That's why this project that I'm talking about is huge opportunity. And right here, you can see the pre-sale is happening right now. This project is called Solanex AI, and it is basically a upcoming decentralized exchange with new AI technologies. And right here on the website, you can see that pre-sale is happening right now, and the price change will occur in around 24 hours. This means that the price of the pre-sale will get higher and higher. That's why if you are being early, you will get the price cheaper and get the token cheaper. And why this is important is because there are no hidden VCs, no outside angel investors that are basically investing millions in this token before you can buy it. And that's the truth about most of the crypto projects, that big investors are buying seed rounds, pre-seed rounds, and buying tokens for pennies. And when it gets on exchanges, you can buy it only for $1 or $2. So they are already 10x or 20x up. That's why this is a pre-sale for normal people like you and me, not for huge whales. That's why this is a huge opportunity to buy token really cheap, in my opinion. And this video is not a financial advice, but you can buy it right now. All the links are in the description and in my comment section. And the token name will be Soldex, which is basically a utility token of Solanex AI project. And one of the utilities will be that you will be able to earn rewards by staking this token in liquidity pools. You will be able to access many features and participate in governance of this token. In the future, Soldex token may be required to basically unlock many premium features within Solanex AI, further enhancing its utility. And why I am personally participating in this presale is because if you look at early investors of Jupiter, 1inch, Uniswap, Radium, you understand that they basically made a fortune because they were really early. And this is a great opportunity for people like you and me that don't have millions of dollars in their bank accounts, but you can buy this project, the token, for pennies. And that's why being early is really important. And looking at the fact that Solana this year is bigger than Ethereum, the total value locked has jumped to $7.5 billion. You can see it in this chart. And you already know Solana has been the biggest chain for the last year, and I think it will be the biggest chain in 2025, which will be the upcoming crypto bull run. It is the meme coin chain, the gaming chain. You can see new NFT projects popping up on Solana. The biggest valued NFT projects right now are on Solana as well, that have utility. And looking at the fact that there are only two huge decentralized exchanges on Solana, Jupiter and Radium, I think the third one is definitely a must because there is a big problem with swapping many tokens in my experience. And the best part is that Solanex AI will use an AI technology that will make the swaps cheaper, the liquidity rewards greater, and it will most definitely improve the user experience. And looking at the fact that AI is a big narrative, this could help with the token price in the near future, because this will be the first decentralized exchange on Solana that will be using AI technologies to basically improve the whole experience of new users. And according to 1egg, which is one of the biggest ETF issuers in the world, they think that Solana could reach at least 50% of Ethereum market capitalization, which means that the whole Solana ecosystem will grow rapidly. Everything will pump like crazy if this happens in near future. But looking at the fact that Solana has already surpassed the Ethereum trading volume by more than 20%, they are basically getting bigger and bigger than Ethereum every day. And one of the facts is that Ethereum has really large gas fees and Solana has like 1 cent, 2 cent gas fees. And another reason why this project will be big is because there are so many creators on YouTube and on Twitter creating content about this upcoming Solanex AI exchange. And here you can see if you buy the token, you are actually getting a 5% bonus for buying only $250 worth of Soldex tokens. And here you can see the more tokens you buy, the bigger bonus you get instantly. Here you can see the amount that is raised. And if you're looking at tokenomics, really bullish on this tokenomics because 35 95% will be going to the pre-sale for people like you and me. And again, this is a great opportunity to be early because this is basically a pre-sale. There is no seed round or no big VCs, no big angel investors that were buying before you and will be dumping on you. That's why I'm really bullish on these public pre-sales. And again, if you want to learn more about this project, all the links, all the official links are in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.